Now we have Excel chart. We want to copy this one to the Word of PowerPoint. So the first thing, we go to File, then select Options. From here, Quick Access Toolbar, then drop down, Comments not in the ribbon. Then we find the camera. Select that, click Add, click OK. Now you should see the camera icons here. Now you can select, for example, you want to select the whole data, or you can only select the chart. Let's select the whole data. Then you click Camera, open a Word document, right click, you can select Picture. You will save as Picture. Or you can select as Keep Source Formatting. So this one you need a bigger paper to show up it. So that's it.